Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a clean cloth. This will help you safely disassemble your Dyson SV11 without causing any damage. First, disconnect the vacuum from any power source. Make sure it's turned off and unplugged. Place the vacuum on a clean, flat surface, ideally a table or workbench, to give you ample space to work. Next, locate the screws that secure the battery compartment. There are typically 3 screws on the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew these and place them in a small container to prevent losing them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the back panel away from the main body of the vacuum. Take a moment to inspect the battery. It should be securely attached yet easily removable. If you notice any screws holding the battery in place, remove them using the Phillips screwdriver. After removing the battery, it's essential to clean the internal components of the vacuum. Use a clean cloth to wipe down the area around the battery compartment. This prevents dust and debris from affecting the new battery's performance. If you need assistance with this process, remember, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Now, take your new battery and align it properly within the compartment. Ensure that the connectors are facing the right direction for a secure fit. If you don't have the right tools or are unsure about the installation, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home, making it hassle-free for you. Once the new battery is in place, secure it with any screws you removed earlier. Make sure everything is tightened well but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the components. Now, replace the back panel by aligning it with the main body of the vacuum and gently pressing it into place. Reinsert the screws to secure the back panel. This is a crucial step, as loose screws can lead to operational issues later on. If you ever find yourself needing repairs, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know what to expect. Now that the battery is replaced, it's important to check the charger. Inspect the charger for any signs of wear or damage. If it appears to be functioning well, plug it into the wall and connect it to your vacuum. If the charger needs replacement, it's advisable to purchase an official Dyson charger to ensure compatibility and safety. Finally, plug the vacuum in and let it charge fully before using it again. This ensures that the new battery is properly calibrated. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Our service is designed to make your experience as seamless as possible with no calls, no travel required. By following these steps, you can successfully replace the battery and charger of your Dyson SV11, extending its life and maintaining optimal performance. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.